Tonight we're having honey garlic salmon. This is an absolutely delicious recipe that actually doesn't take very long to make at all. As usual, the ingredient list and recipe will be in the description box. You're going to start by mincing up your garlic, and then you're going to throw that in a bowl. You're also going to make your sauce here with water, soy sauce, sriracha, don't really know how to say that very well, your lemon juice, and your honey. Next, you're going to give it a solid mix. Just make sure that that honey really gets mixed up in there. Now we're going to season our salmon fillets, and we're going to start with a generous amount of salt, move on to some pepper, and then we're going to use our paprika. You'll want your pan to be at medium-high heat. Throw in some butter, melt that up, add some olive oil, and then throw in your sauce mixture. We're going to mix all of that together, and then we're ready to place our salmon fillets into our sauce. You're going to place the fillets skin down for about 3 minutes, and you're going to baste them frequently while they're cooking in your pan. Everything should look nice, delicious, and bubbly just like this. Next, you're going to throw the pan in the oven on high broil for 5 to 6 minutes. When it's all done, it should look a little something like this. The sauce should be pretty thick, more like a glaze, which is the absolute best part of this recipe. You're going to plate your salmon and make sure you add some of that sauce right on top. It is so delicious, and this is such an easy recipe. Let me know what else you want to see.